now we gotta make a copy of the box. So we will go to the front view, click on Z, and then we select the box. Once we select it, once we select the box, we hold Shift when we move the box. So it will be like this. So we made the first box, and this is the second one. As we see here, there is a difference in height. So we will not fix the height of the box, because the height of the box is exactly the same. We will fix the height of the building in each floor. So for example, we will select the building, and then we select vertex. Okay, as we see here, we will select this one here. So we will select the vertex here, and then we move it down a little bit. Okay, yes, like this. Okay, once we see this now, we move the box here, and we will do the same thing with the structure building here. Yes, move it down. Okay, I think now it's fine. Okay, now we gotta move the box. So move it back here, exactly like the photo. Okay, move this one here. This is the front again. Front view. Front view. Okay, we can, for example, if we are not happy with this one, if you feel it's a little bit, we can make it short. Okay, and for example, here we can do some elongation. Okay, I think now it's fine. Now we will do the glasses in the front. So we will select now one of the vertical line here. Let's say this edge, and once we select it, we will go and select ring in order to select all the vertical lines as you see here in the buildings. Once we do this, right click, we create a connect in order to create the glass. We need just only one. We'll repeat that again. So we select the square, the box here next to the connect, in order to get the, yes, we want to make it just only one connect. This is all what we need, and then we select the stick. Okay, once we do this, we will move it a little bit to the front. So now 3ds Max is already selected this one. So we will now select the place of this one. So it should be here, let's say. Okay, that's good. Once we finish this, we gotta now do some, we gotta move the box a little bit to the front. Oh, by mistake. Okay. We select the box, so gotta move it a little bit. And the same thing with the second one here. This one is a little bit. We gotta move it back so it will be like this. Okay. I guess the shape is now it's fine, I guess. Now we'll go to the modifier list and we choose extrude. The extrude. Okay. Now, as you see now, the extrude goes to the horizontal direction, and we gotta change it and make it in the vertical directions. So we will do one thing here. Control Z, Control Z. We'll draw a line. Here, and after that we will attach it with the um, we will attach it with we'll attach this line with this one, and once we do the extrude it will go to the vertical direction. So we already select the line, and then we go to the attach, and then we attach it. So now we attach it, and then we select the line. Once we do this, we'll go to the modifier list and we select extrude. So go to the extrude again. Okay, as you see now the extrude is working very well and it's in the right direction. Okay, so now we will press on the line here, spline, then we select this one, we delete it because we don't need it. Once we finish this, we will go to the extrude again. Right now we can convert this. I'm not really happy with the color, so we will change it. Okay, let's make it white. Okay, and we will change this one to editable poly. Okay, now it's great. Once we finish this, choose the polygon. Choose the polygon. Here we see there are two. There are two, so we don't need the second one. So we'll remove it. Okay. Once we finish this one, okay, once we finish this one, we will continue our work here. Okay, we made a mistake. I deleted this one by mistake. Okay, so we will do this again. Let's choose vertex. I will choose this one to fix the height of this one. So now I fixed the first one. Let's go to the second one. Front view. Okay, and select only this vertex. Okay. Okay, reduce this one to, okay, this. And we'll go to the third one. You can use the snap toggle, by the way. Okay, that's it. Okay, to make the glasses, we will select, we will first do these two because they have almost the same, uh, almost they have the same dimensions. So we'll create the connect. Okay, 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 let's make it. Okay, see, there is a mistake. So let's cancel this one again. Okay, let's remove the snap toggle. We don't need it. What is this? Okay, 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 okay. First of all, let's check what is this. Why? Okay, I have another idea. Let's select them all three, then right click. Okay, let's, let's hide only the unselected. Okay, so this is the mistake we made. Okay, it's fine. We will remove this one. Move it to the up. We'll fix it. Okay, select this polygon. Select this edge. We go to the make planner. Try to fix it. Okay, the Z is not working. Y is not working. Z, it's working. Okay, so now we'll make the connect now. Okay, the connect now is fine, I guess. Or let's do them one by one. So we'll do first this one. Make the connect. Let's make it like this, okay? And this one. Okay. And the last one. Just only we'll choose the polygon in top and in the bottom of each uh, in each one. Okay, that's, I think it's too much. We'll reduce it to, okay, maybe this one is good. Now unhide all. Okay, unhide all. Let's do it. Okay, unhide all. Okay, now we'll move this one down. If we select the snap toggle here, front, And let's select this edge. Oh. Select the vertex, it will be easy. So we go to the front view and then we select the top vertex. Now this is it. Okay.